It's about 1:45 now. I'm on my lunch break. Typically, I would take my lunch break a lot earlier, around 11 o'clock. But because I'm not eating, I just postponed it and got a little bit more work done. But I was starting to feel so sleepy and sluggish. And the thing that really helps me is like running through the shower. So I just took a really hot shower and now I feel so alive and fresh and awake. So I put on a little bit of makeup and then I did my skincare routine and I put on perfume. Honestly, I realized while fasting, it's the little things that really change your day. For me, it's like being clean, putting on moisturizer, putting on perfume. It's like an instant mood booster, like an instant confidence boost, and I just feel so much better. This is a perfume I've been really loving. It's the Chloe perfume, and I swear this perfume instantly gives me like a boost of energy. It has like a really soft, feminine, floral, fresh, sweet smell, and it just, every time I smell myself, I'm just like, oh, I feel so good. So that's a little tip. If you're starting to feel really, really sluggish, do the small things that make you happy. Like take a quick shower, put on some perfume, feel good, and it changes your mood. So now I'm going to go change. We're going to go pick an outfit out. I actually got a package in the mail from Amazon, so we can open it together. So I will put this back down. I'm excited about this because they're a pair of pants that I saw another vlogger share. And they look super cute, so maybe we can wear this today. Okay, so, oh my god, they're so cute. Okay, so they're like these palazzo pleated trousers. Guys, these pants are so cute. This would actually be a really cute like Eid outfit, or if you're going to an iftar party, these pants would be so perfect. So they are a little bit see-through, so I have leggings on underneath, and these are the nude leggings I always rave about. I will link them down below too, but they're so lightweight that it doesn't even feel like I have 2 layers on. They're really, really, really light and flowy, and this would be so perfect for a summer day. And these come in a ton of colors. Sorry, that's like my tank top underneath there, but yeah, it comes in so many colors, and they're actually a super, super cute pair of pants. Oh my god, I love it. So this is my outfit. I threw on an abaya, like duster kimono thing, just to be a little bit more modest and to fit like the Ramadan vibe. And then I have this hijab on that I don't know if I've been raving about it enough on YouTube, but I really, really love it. It's from Culture Hijab. It's a super sheer like chiffon fabric, but it's so lightweight and it's perfect for spring and summer. So I have that on, and then I have on a nude top underneath. So this is my look, and I think it turned out so cute. So it's about 2 o'clock now, so I still have 30 more minutes before my next meeting. So I'm going to use this time to listen to a lecture from Omar Suleiman. He has this amazing series going on right now. It's called Quran 30 for 30. So he covers one juz every single day for 30 days in Ramadan, and he goes kind of in depth about the the juz, like the surah. He explains like what it's about, the significance, key points, the history behind it, and it's just so interesting. So I listened to something very similar from him last year, so I'm gonna listen to it this year as well. I haven't gotten started, so I'm gonna listen to 3 of them today so I can catch up, but I'm getting started today, so I'm gonna listen to it for 30 minutes. They're pretty short, they're like 30 to 40 minutes long each. So I probably could finish one of these right now and then finish the rest a little bit later. But I will link this series down below if you guys want to listen to it too. It's a really good one. I am so tired. I just got done with my last meeting. It's now 5:30 in the afternoon and I just want to take a nap. I'm so sleepy, but I have to prepare iftar and then I have to go run a quick errand. So we're going to go downstairs and make iftar. I'm thinking I'm going to do a kebab roll because they're super easy and they're quick. I already have the kebabs pre-made. My mom made them actually. So we will go downstairs, make iftar. I'm about to close my computer and call it a day. I'm ready to like take this off as well and just get into comfy clothes and just relax. But it's really hard to fast while working because I feel like mentally I'm just not as alert as I usually am because usually I'm snacking, I'm hydrated. So it's been a little bit of a challenge, especially because it's a Monday. I have so many meetings you guys saw back to back. So it's been a challenge, but we're done with the first day. First day is over with. Yay! If you're working while fasting, I guess my few tips would be take a shower at midday. I felt like that really helped. And then take short breaks. Go on a walk outside, get some fresh air. I actually have not done that myself, but I might now actually after I make iftar. I might go on a quick little walk. So yeah, we'll go make iftar. I'm making kebab rolls for iftar because they're super simple and easy. So these are pre-cooked kebabs. You can also get frozen ones from the grocery store. I will link the recipe down below where I shared this. And usually I use, like normal people will use a paratha because it tastes so much better. But since I'm like gluten-free and whatnot, I'm using these almond flour tortillas and it honestly tastes the same. You can't tell. So I just warm this up and then I put 1 kebab in here and then I'll put sauces. So my mom made this like spicy green chutney. It's cilantro, jalapeno, garlic, ginger, and it's all blended up and it's so good. It's like spicy and good. And then I also used this tamarind chutney that my mom put in this honey bottle because it's easy to squirt out. So I will show you guys how I assemble this. So I have my tortilla that's all warmed up and then I'm going to take a kebab roll, place that here, take a little bit of this sweet sauce and put that over. And then I'm going to take a little bit of this spicy sauce and put that in the middle. And then I'm just going to roll this. And there you go. This is what the roll looks like. It doesn't look good, but honestly, it's so good. And it's like a really good, easy snack. I don't like to eat like a heavy meal during iftar, so I just have one of these or something really light. I'm gonna have this with a side of fruit. I'm gonna do apple. So this is my iftar. This is apple with a tahini, my kebab roll, and then I also filled up my water bottle with water. So it's pretty simple, but it's delicious. I'm in the post-iftar slump. You know, right when you finish eating, you just want to fall asleep. That's me right now. I am so exhausted. I feel like you best run over me. It's definitely very different and so much more difficult to fast while working. But I have about like an hour to relax. I'm just going to scroll through my phone, maybe finish listening to the lecture that had started earlier, and then we're heading out to Tarawih. We're going to a new mosque today. My mom said the sheikh there is really good. So I will try to get footage. If not, then I'm not because I'm leaving my camera at home. But yeah, so my whole family is going tonight. My mom, my dad, my sister, and me. Okay, I just got up and grabbed this chocolate to show you guys. I literally ate half of this today. I was just in a mood. I was like, I deserve it. I worked so hard today. So I ate half of this chocolate. So yeah, now I'm just gonna relax, unwind a little bit. And then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow will be a lot more eventful. I will try to, I don't know, just film a lot more. Today I really just did not have the energy. So yeah, I hope all of you guys are having a lovely Ramadan. I want to quickly remind you guys, don't forget about the campaign that I mentioned for Ethiopia. I will have my link down below. If you can donate, it would mean a lot. You don't have to donate $75. You can donate 5, 10, 15, 20, whatever. And of course, if you can't donate, then a dua would mean a lot as well. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog.